Reading practice. Mia and the Lost Star. Mia loved looking at the night sky. Every night she sat near her window with a tiny flashlight and watched the stars twinkle. One evening she noticed something strange. A small star was missing from its usual spot. The sky looked empty. Mia whispered, "Where did the little star go?" She put on her slippers, grabbed her flashlight, and walked into her backyard. The grass felt cool under her feet. Suddenly, she saw a soft glow behind a big round rock. Mia slowly walked closer. There, on the ground, was a tiny star, shining gently, like it was tired. "Oh, no! Are you lost?" she asked softly. The star flickered, almost like it was nodding. Mia smiled. "Don't worry, I'll help you." She cupped the star in her hands. It felt warm and light, like holding a small sun. Mia lifted her hands toward the sky. The star floated up, higher and higher, until it reached its place again. The night sky sparkled brighter than before. Mia whispered, "Good night, little star." She went back inside, closed her eyes, and felt happy knowing she helped the sky shine again.